In this video, we're talking about Depinsim token, legit or scam. Before buy this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is the website, as you can see here. You can sign up from here and you can start using this app. You have app, as you can see here. You can connect your wallet from here. This is a decentralized protocol designed to provide a global access through crypto-enabled and this is a protocol integrations with blockchain based in payments and data. So friends, this is based on decentralized total supply 1 billion, max supply 1 billion of this token. This is the network. You have ecosystem, security, and economy from here, and you can staking this token from here. You can start stake this token. You have solution, developers, and resources. So friends, the bullish is 84%, and then the bearish is 16%. I see some active user in this community. This is good insight. This token listed on popular exchange like Cocoin, Bitgate, and Binance Alpha, and BankX, and Bitmart, and Lbank. I see a lot of transfer and transaction in the last 2 and 1 minute. This is good insight. You can check here a lot of transaction here, as I say. So friends, this is good insight. The holders, I see 3.22 thousand member holders with top 10 is 98%. This is good top 10 and good amount here. So friends, before buy this token, do your own research. I give this token 7 on 10, and this is not financial advice. This is the protocol. You can read this protocol on this official